Welcome to the informative POCO C40, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first, let's open the notification panel, and if you wanna just remove some of the options from here, or just to add some of options, or just to change their positions of this shortcuts, we should first tap on this edit icon, and now just to add some of the icons, we should just click on this green pluses on the right upper corner on each of the icon. If you want to remove them, you should just click on this minuses by this way. As you can see, that's so simple. Then just to save the changes, you should click here to done, and if you want to change the positions, you should just hold and drag it to the left or to the right side, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.